topic is hormone therapy. Okay, topic is hormone therapy. Here the two terms are there. One is the hormonal and second one therapy. Okay, therapy means the treatment, and hormones, that is what is the hormones, the basic things. Before we study the treatment, we have to know what is the meaning of the hormone. Okay, the hormones, the word meaning is that the hormone means origin. Okay, the hormone is derived, okay, in the Greek, that is the hormona. It means that origin. It means that origin means the force somebody to go to certain direction. Okay, hormona means force somebody to go to some direction is called as a hormona. Okay, from that hormona the hormone term is originated. Okay, here the hormone, next one is the definition of the hormone. What is the definition of the hormone? That hormones are chemical substance that act like a messenger molecules in the body. Okay, hormones are the chemical substance. Those are chemical substance that act like a messenger. Okay, the messenger molecules in the body. Okay, it means that they are releasing from glands in one place and they are going through the bloodstream and they are acting on a target cell. Wherever the receptors are there, they will go and act. Okay, that is the meaning of the hormones. Next, the hormone production. The hormone is produced through the glands. Okay, the glands, mainly it is divided into two types, that is the exocrine glands and endocrine glands. The first is exocrine glands. The exocrine glands are secreted their substance through duct. Okay, the exocrine glands are, those are secreted their substance through duct. Those are called as exocrine glands. Okay, what it is secreted, that is called as an enzyme. Okay, those are called as an enzyme. Those are secreted to the exocrine. Okay, the next is endocrine. Okay, endocrine gland, here the secreted directly in the blood. Okay, it means the endocrine glands, these are secreted directly their substance in the blood. Those are called as a hormones. Okay, our today's topic is hormone only. Okay, it means that these are secreted from endocrine glands. Those are secreted in the blood. Okay, this is about the hormone production. Okay, after the production, there is secreted in the blood. These these are goes through the bloodstream wherever the target cell is there. Okay, wherever the target cells is there, they will go in the bloodstreams and they will act wherever the receptors are there. In that receptor only they will open and they will act their functions. Okay, these are the transportation. Next one is the functions. Okay, the functions of hormones here. The very common function, general functions are, these are responsible for regulating just about every cell in the body. Okay, in the every cells, whatever the cells are their body, these are regulating. Okay, these are regulating responsible. These are responsible factors for regulating each and every cells in the body. Okay, this is the main function. Second one, that is the homeostasis in the variable internal and external environment. Okay, it means that it is managing equilibrium in the body. Okay, both in the internal, in the external environment, if there is a variable is there. Okay, this is about the functions. Now the very common examples are the estrogens, testosterone, insulin and thyroid hormones. Okay, these are the examples of the hormones. Okay, now come to the next point. Next point is that is the chemical natures of the hormones. Okay, the hormones are mainly classified into three types based on their chemical nature. That the first one is the amino acid and their derivatives. Okay, based on the chemical, it is divided into three types. The first category is the amino acid and their derivatives. Here the amino acid derivatives, the hormones are adrenaline, noradrenaline and thyroxine. These are the chemicals of the amino acid and derivatives. The second one, steroidal hormones. Here the adrenal, cortical and gonadotropin hormones. Okay. Next one, polypeptide and proteins. The common hormones are, there is the anterior pituitary hormones and insulin. These are the hormones. These are really that is the chemical natures of the hormones. Okay. Next classification based on the body functions. Okay, based on the body function, the hormone are again we are classifying. That is the stress adaptation. The body function. If the person is suffering from stress, in that adapting, the hormones are balancing. That is the adrenaline and glucocorticoids. Okay, these are the stress adapting hormones. Next one, somatic growth. So growth or somatic growth, here the managing hormones or regulating hormones are growth hormones and insulin like growth factors. These are the growth hormones. And next one, metabolic rate. Okay, that is the digestion metabolism. Here metabolic rate, the major regulating hormones are thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Okay, these are the hormones, they are metabolic rate controlling. Next one, circulating volume. Okay, how much blood is circulating, how much urine is production. These are major regulating hormones are, that is the aldosterone, antidiuretic hormones. Okay, the next one, calcium balance hormones. Here the calcium balancing hormone are calcitonin and para hormones and vitamin D hormones. These are the balancing the calcium in the body. Next is energy providers. Okay, the energy provider major regulating hormones are, that is the glucagon, insulin and growth hormones. These are regulating the energy. Okay, this is the next one, last one is the sex and reproduction in the body. Okay, these are major regulating hormones are androgen, gonadotropins, estrogen and progestins. These are the hormones. Okay, these are the hormones regulating the body functions in the body. Okay, this is about the basic information about the hormones. Okay, now the main as a doctor, the main our topic is that the hormone therapy, where these hormones we are using. The hormone therapy means the treatment of the disease or symptoms with natural or synthetic derivative hormones. Okay, it means that hormone therapy. Okay, the hormones we are using in the diseases or disorder or in the symptoms. If the patient is suffering from some hormone deficiency or increase in the hormone, or the patient is suffering from hormone distress, in that what we are doing, the treatment of the diseases and symptoms, we are managing with natural or synthetic derivatives of the hormones. This is called as a hormone therapy. Okay, next, where it is indicated. Okay, the uses of the hormone therapy, where we are using. Okay, the indication very commonly, the first thing is hormone supplementations. Okay, if the production of the hormone is very less or there is a decrease in the quantity, then we are using hormone supplementations. Okay, very common, we know, that is the thyroid disease or thyroid disorder. In this, that we are giving thyroxine hormones and other that is the illness associated with the hormone production and uses. In that cases also we are giving the hormone supplements. Okay, this is about the hormone supplements. Next is hormone replacement therapy. Okay, hormone replacement or replacing therapy. It is in short, it is also called as a HRT. Okay, HRT, hormone replacement therapy. That is a very commonly we know, that is the menopausal symptoms. Okay, menopausal symptoms in the females after 40 or 45 years, the menses will stops. Okay, their menses stops. At that time, the symptoms are produced. The symptoms are arises like a hot flush or dryness of the vagina or difficulty in the sex, and so many symptoms are, that is the sweatings and disturb in the sleep. These are the symptoms are produces. Okay, that is called as a menopausal symptoms or perimenopause symptoms. Okay, in that cases, what we are giving? We are giving the hormone replacement therapy in that disease. Okay, so what are the common hormones we are giving? You know, that is the estrogen and progesterone. These are the sex hormones. These are giving. That is the first. Some in patients we are giving single hormone therapy. That is the estrogen hormones only. Okay, very commonly we are giving single hormone therapy, that is estrogen. If the symptoms are not treated, then we can combine the two hormones, that is the estrogen and progesterone, both combined we are giving, that is the progesterone and progesterone hormones. Okay, this is the treatment in the menopausal symptoms. Okay, the next one, hormone therapy. Okay, the next one, hormone therapy. The diseases are the very common prostate cancer and breast cancers. Okay, in the disease like prostate cancer and breast cancer, we are using the hormones. Okay, we are giving the hormones to stop or decrease the production. Okay, to decrease the, what happened here in the prostate cancers, the prostate gland is, that is the increases size, growth is increases. To reduce the size or to decrease the excessive secretion of the hormones, we are giving some medications. Okay, the natural and synthetic derivatives of hormones to regulate the prostate cancers. The very common hormones, that is the calcitomides and nilotamides and flutamides and other medications we are giving to manage the prostate cancers. Okay, next one, breast cancer. In the females, you know, in the breast, the cancers are formed. Okay, the glands and cancers are formed. Whenever it is diagnosed, then in that cases we are giving hormone therapy. The very common are, that is the tamoxifen and gossarin and leucovorin and fluoro, that is the fluosterine, and other hormones we are giving to manage the breast cancers. Okay, this is about the basic information about the hormone therapy. Okay, thank you.